Welcome to PacWest this week for July 23, 2012.
Did you know we have a webinar scheduled for August 1st on Internet Marketing?
It will be presented by the great folks at the Hufftailing Group.
And there is no charge to PacWest members to participate.
Register at the PacWest website.
The past two webinars from the Hufftailing Group can be viewed from the website podcast page.
Members need to log in to access the podcasts.
If you don't remember your username or password, call the PacWest office.
August is a really busy month for PacWest.
I know about the Internet Marketing webinar. What else?
The Dimensional and Material Specs seminar is on August 14th. The Fastener Basics class on August 18th. And a dinner meeting about stainless fasteners is on August 28th.
It's time for us to thank our fantastic premier partners.
Porteous Fastener Company is our platinum partner.
Brighton Best International and Star Stainless Screw are our gold partners.
Serrera Consulting and WCL Company are our silver partners.
And InSequel Software and Metric and Multi-Standard Components are our bronze partners.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next week.
Follow us on Twitter for more frequent updates.